everyone, my name is Ikedi. I'm 22 years old. Right now, I'm staying at home and taking care of the household. I'm live in Waitenong, West Lampung, Indonesia, and 100% I'm Indonesia, and I'm proud of it. One, my hobby is watching movie or series. It's really helped me relax and enjoy my free time. To be honest, I'm a bit introvert, so I don't always feel like there. Something super interesting about me, but that was okay. We all have our own pace, right? Thank you for watching and getting to know me a little better.